It is finally time. I have been so excited to do this. I haven't even edited the Killy Willy video, so that's probably already out, so make sure to go check that out in the other 2 reviews. But I have just been so excited. This is my favorite Poppy Playtime character of all time. He's not niche at all. Everyone knows him. He's just so goated. I absolutely love him. Today, we are finally talking about the Gorge Horde. God, this figure looks so peak. Okay, but for real, guys, we are actually finally here to talk about the RUINED Huggy Wuggy McFarlane figure. I cannot wait. Again, this is my favorite character in Poppy Playtime. This figure I've been waiting to get. Shout out to my targets for finally getting in all the figures, so I finally got a chance to get my hands on him. Let's waste no time. If you guys like Poppy Playtime, you guys like movies, game shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And let's take a look at Huggy Wuggy. First of all, like we always do, let's take a look at the packaging. Nice ass render of Huggy right here. Absolutely love it. Or sorry, RUINED Huggy. Absolutely nice render. We also have another one here of him smiling. Look how happy he is. But now we're gonna absolutely destroy this box. Oh, it smells like Sharpies. Oh god, I don't have scissors again. Let me try to find the scissors. Alright, I'm here. I actually found the scissors this time, so let's get Huggy out. Oh, yes. Whoa. Okay, guys, so I got the Huggus Muggus out of the box. Let's go over to the review station and take a look. Okay, guys, taking a look at Huggy Wuggy. Now, first of all, he's not on a stand. I'm actually getting him to stand up. Kissy Missy, to this day, still does not stand up on her own. So this is really cool that he already stands up himself. But, oh my god, taking a look at this figure. First of all, just looking at the head sculpt. The detail is absolutely insane. Not to mention they actually added the ruined parts, because it's RUINED Huggy Wuggy. All the little blood parts coming out, the sewing and stitching, his literal arm is off. This is probably the most detailed figure out of the line, probably other than the Doctor, and I absolutely love the way they did this. Let's take a look at the articulation. So the head is on a ball joint, so it does swivel all the way around. He looks up that much, down that much, side to side. I will say the other figures do move a lot more in the head. His head, for some reason, just does not move as much. Taking a look at the arms, this one is obviously, he's got a little chode arm, but it does have a ball joint here, so you can move it around like that. But again, rest of the arm is also bendy wire, so this one moves a little bit. You probably won't be moving this one a lot, but mainly this arm you will be moving. Again, it's the same. It's just this one's obviously cut off. And taking a look at the legs, so the legs go up this much, back that much, limited by his little thing, and oh damn, and it's also bendy wire, so you can move his legs all around. Also, you can see with the feet, they do move. Again, not as much as the other figures do, but they do move. You can spin it all the way around, and it has a little bit of a pivot. Just showing off with this articulation, other than the bendy wire, the actual ball joint stuff is a lot harder to move than the other figures that I've gotten in the line. I'm also trying to figure out if these figures have ab crunches or not. It feels like they do in the chest, but then you move it and nothing happens, so I don't think they do. I saw someone else say they did, but I just don't think they have it. Okay, I'm trying to get him to stand. He's not standing up. But anyways, let's take a look now at some of Huggy's accessories. So as you can see, he just has this normal hand, and he'll only have one set of right hands. He only has one arm, so he just has this normal open hand that is already on there. Let's take a look at his other hands, though. And Huggy also has this fisted hand. As you can see, you can put stuff in his hand if you want to, like I've done with the other figures. Here he is with a Star Wars lightsaber from Lego. There you go. And here he is with a little more opened hand. As you can see, not a crazy difference. This one is just opened a little bit more. But let's take a look at Buddy's toes. So this is the normal feet he has on right now, but he actually does come with extra feet. So let's look at those. So here are Huggy's other feet. They're just bent a little bit. Same with Kissy Missy. She has the same ones, and overall they don't make a crazy difference. You can get the same poses you can with the other feet, so now he just has other feet. So now, usually we'd go and compare him to some other figures, but he actually has one more accessory. He has a different head sculpt. This is the first time for any of the Huggies in this line we have different head sculpts. Let's see how he looks. So yeah, here Huggy is. He's got a little happy face. Look at his little happy face. I'm kind of happy they put this in so you can get like him with Kissy Missy, but I still think this is really cool. Again, so detailed. I absolutely love this. This is so nice. And Huggy also comes with another one of these bases. So if we actually look, I have Kissy Missy with me, so I'm gonna have to show her. we have the 3 other bases. So now it's like getting all the Infinity Stones. We can connect them all together and we have a full display base from all the different characters. So now that we have Kissy Missy here, let's just take a look. Here, Kissy Missy is with Huggy Wuggy. She looks a little bit taller because she's on the stand and Huggy is not. But oh my god, they look great together. I cannot wait to display them together. And now let's also take a look at Huggy Wuggy with the Doctor. This is something we could see in Chapter 6 because Huggy Wuggy's alive. I don't care what anyone says, he is alive. They look great together too. And also, the best character of all time, we have to take a look. Huggy Wuggy's slow brother, Killy Willy. And they actually look great together. Honestly, the 3 Logies together, even though Killy Willy's should not be here for some reason, he's just here. They all look great together. And these figures, man, these are just awesome. So yeah, guys, overall, Huggy is my favorite in this line just because it's Huggy Wuggy. But all these figures are great. And sadly, this is the last review for the main 4 McFarlane Toys Poppy Playtime figures. There are also the 12-inch ones and the 4.5-inch ones, and we have a grab pack that I will definitely be showing off to you guys when I get my hands on those. But for now, this is sadly it for the mainline figures. This series was fun. I'll probably put a video together with all these in one, so make sure if you guys liked all the reviews, maybe you want to rewatch them a couple times, check out that video whenever that releases. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. It was really fun. Again, these figures are so worth the $30. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the series, and yeah.